So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about projects, because we all know if you are from a computer science background or if you are from a BTech background, what really matters in your resume is projects. So if you have done good projects, then your chances of getting selected in a particular company gets higher. And if you have not so much good projects, then you already know the results. So today we are going to talk about YouTube tutorials that can help you to build projects. You can watch those videos, you can watch those tutorials, and you can follow along with them so that you become capable of making projects on your own. So I will be providing you the links of YouTube channels, and these are the channels that I have tried and tested, and these channels will provide you a good guidance and will help you to develop decent projects. So we will be dividing this video in 3 parts. First for beginners, second for intermediate level coders, and third for the advanced level coders. So I will be providing you the resources for all these 3 sections. So you can choose your own section on the basis of your capabilities, and you can follow that course, follow the tutorial on YouTube, and these are completely free. So let's go. So alright guys, now we are on my computer screen, and the first channel, the very first playlist that I would like to refer you is of Code with Eri. And if you are a programmer and if you are watching this in India, then you must be aware of this channel, Code with Eri. It is an amazing channel. It contains tutorials of every single topic that you can think of in computer science. He has made tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, every single language that you can think of. This channel contains tutorials on that. But leaving that behind, today we are talking about web development projects. So if you are a beginner level coder, if you think that you just know front end means HTML, CSS and JavaScript and no fancy framework like React or Vue, then I will suggest you to view this playlist of Code with Eri, because he has built projects over here with the help of simple HTML, CSS and JavaScript only. You can see in the description of in the title of the video also, he has clearly mentioned over here. And look how amazing projects he has built: Spotify clone, analog clock, snake game, Myntra clock, weather app, and much more though. So this playlist contains around 20 videos, and you can choose around 2 to 3 videos of your interest. And I will suggest you to make 1-2 projects by watching the video and by watching the entire videos and by following along the codes, so that you get a decent idea about how to use HTML and CSS, so that you can become used to with styling and JavaScript, etc. So these projects are beginner level projects, and these will help you to enhance your front-end skills. And these projects are really nice, and it will also rank your resume. So you can definitely give this playlist a try. So before moving to the intermediate level projects, I would like to share you another playlist of beginner level projects, because I found this really interesting playlist by Code Dev Simplified. He has built this playlist around 4 years ago, but since look, it is updated 3 days ago, means he is still working on that. And he has built some small projects. So if you don't have that much time, then you can refer to this playlist. It contains small projects, but contains really nice projects. It also contains backend projects. So if you are thinking to make few projects, small projects, and you want to put them in your resume that contains HTML, front end and back end both, and you can refer to this website. Look, he has built a Zoom clone using WebRTC. He has used REST API. He has built a project using Firebase and routing, the perfect beginner React project, infrared scrolling with React. So he has built a lot of beginner friendly projects, and these projects are not of that much duration. His biggest video is, I think, of 1.5 to 2 hours. So you can definitely give this playlist a try, and it will be really helpful for you if you are a beginner, and if you are thinking to make a small project, or if you are thinking to make project in a less duration. So the second section of this video, now we are talking about intermediate level web development projects. So if you are thinking that you have built some projects using front end or back end, and you have 1 to 2 projects of your own that you have worked by yourself, and you have built them from scratch, and they are completely working, and you know about them from 0 to 100, okay? So then you can consider yourself as an intermediate level programmer. And second criteria, if you think you have worked on your skills for around 5 to 6 months, then it's okay. You can refer to these resources so that you can build some good projects of web dev. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, if you are making beginner friendly projects, then it will sharpen your concepts, okay? It's not like you are putting them in your resume and you think that you will be getting selected in a remote company or a big tech company. It's not like that. You should be able to make few good projects. At least you should have 2 good projects and a mini project in your resume. Means 3 to 4 projects, that's okay. And nowadays you should have at least 1 project of machine learning also. That's my advice, because nowadays that is really trending. so you can give that a try too. I will make a separate video on how you can make machine learning and AI projects. I will make a list, and that's a different video. Let's talk about our intermediate level resources of web development. So alright guys, I have talked about this channel in my previous videos also. This channel name is Sheria's Coding School. This channel is really going viral because I remember few days ago it has just 60 to 70,000 subscribers, and now it have 187k subscribers, and they are posting videos very regularly also. So you can give this channel a try, and this channel contains tutorials on web development and really amazing tutorials. So it's like you can make good projects with the help of this channel. So give this channel a try, and let me show you website designing, Python projects, web miner projects, text to emoji, etc., JavaScript questions, backend development, and they are uploading videos regularly. So you can subscribe to this channel as well, and they are posting videos very regularly on this channel. So they will be posting web backend projects as well. One good thing about this channel is they start from very basic, they start from scratch and take that project to this level. So you can follow along with them, and you can build good projects with the help of this channel. So the second channel of our intermediate category is Free Code Camp. This channel is like Code with Harry channel, but it is the English version of that. Means this channel also contains tutorials of every tech topic you can think of. And let me show you here. Let's go on playlist, and you can see the topics over here. A lot of topics from Vue.js, React.js to everything. So you can simply search on YouTube about web development projects with Free Code Camp, and there will be tons of videos over there on YouTube. So you can select any of those from YouTube as per your choice, and you can follow the tutorial to build your intermediate level web dev project. So talking about the advanced level web dev projects, if you think that you have completed intermediate, if you think that you are an intermediate level coder in web dev, then I will highly suggest you to build a fully functional web app like e-commerce website or something that is coming in your mind. If you think that you can solve a problem with the help of your website with the help of code, then that is really cool. Then I suggest you to build the project on your own. Just don't rely on some websites, or don't try to copy the project, because if you have your unique project, then there will be higher chances of you to get selected. And try to build something that can attract audience. If you have a project that has attracted audience, means that have audience, that has an audience base, then your resume is definitely going to be selected. So remember this thing. Apart from that, I am going to share you 1 to 2 channels that you can refer to, but my first priority advice for you will be try to make advanced projects on your own. Just think of few problems that you can solve with the help of code, and then try to implement, build a team, take 4 to 5 months, then build a fully fledged and working project. So I searched a lot about advanced web dev projects on YouTube, all around websites. The most common projects are making e-commerce website or making some kind of timer, or you can say attendance management system for colleges. So these are very common projects, and I searched a lot and I didn't find really any channel that can help you to build advanced level projects, means new projects. And I found this channel only, Traversing Media. So you can go over here on playlist, and it has built some projects. You can give this channel a try. This channel has made few videos on social media network theme, Vue.js, React.js, and let me show you the projects. Building a website with Foundation and says Twitter Bootstrap, Spotify app, and it has built these things from 0 to 100, from 0 to 1, and they are fully functional. You can look out to this channel, and you can follow its playlist, and you can watch out these videos. And my first advice would be that try to build a project on your own. So that was all from my side for you today. Try to build projects as much as you can. So that was it, and I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.